In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect photos using Jotform in just 5 minutes. If you've been looking for an efficient way to gather images through your forms, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Firstly, you'll want to visit jotform.com. Once there, sign in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. But for those of you already set up, let's move on to the next step. After logging in, head over to your Jotform account. You'll see various forms listed here. Locate the form that you wish to modify and click to open it. Upon opening your form, you'll find an option to edit it. Click on Edit Form to enter the form builder interface. This is where you'll make all the necessary changes to accommodate photo uploads. In the form builder, cast your attention over to the left side where you'll find the button labelled Add Form Element. Click it and navigate to the Basic tab. Here you'll want to select the File Upload option. This is a versatile feature that lets users upload files directly to your form. Now, to tailor this feature to your needs, click on the gear icon that appears with the File Upload element. This is crucial for editing the file upload properties, allowing you to set file size limits and specify which file types are acceptable. This ensures that users upload files that are suitable for your form's intended purpose. Once that's configured, users can browse their device files and upload images directly into the form. It's that straightforward. But what if you want to give users the ability to take photos right there on the spot? There's a handy tool for that as well. In the form builder, once again, click Add Form Element and this time choose Widgets. Here you can search for the Take Photo widget. Simply drag this widget onto your form and position it as desired. To fine-tune this widget, click on the wand icon to open the widget settings. Within these settings, you can choose whether to use the device's front or rear camera. This flexibility is perfect for scenarios where users might need to take specific types of photos. Once set, users can utilize the Jotform mobile app to take photos directly, and these images will automatically be uploaded into your form, efficiently streamlining the process. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to collect photos using Jotform. By following these steps, you can effortlessly integrate photo submissions into your forms, enhancing both the functionality and the user experience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and you're now ready to add this great feature to your forms. Thank you for watching.